What's going on, South One K Boss family? So look, man, today's video, the best pocket option guide for beginners. Man, let's go ahead and get into it. Intro kicks in. 3, 2, 1. So look, man, the best pocket option guides for beginners. So look, man, when you deposit in pocket options, this is what I want you guys to pay attention to, right? When it comes to this bonus, right, this little $100 bonus, this is what you get added on once you put in your investment amount. The lowest you can start with is $50, right? What I would want to say for rookie traders, for new traders, do not take the bonus because you don't know what you're doing. If you take the bonus, that means that when you take this bonus, you would have to meet a certain amount of turnover. That means you'll have to take a certain amount of trades, make a certain amount of money using their platform to withdraw your money. This is why certain people have issues with this. So don't take the bonus, right? They have different levels for when you deposit. Always deposit using Bitcoin. Do not use Coinbase. Don't use nothing else. Use Bitcoin. Scan that QR code. I'm about to show you guys right now, right? So whenever you put them out and whatever you're doing, you want to scan that QR code that they give you. Do not take the bonus, right? Do not take the bonus. Do not take the bonus. I don't care what they're saying or what you're talking about. Do not take the bonus if you're new. If you know what to do with the bonus, then sure, go ahead and take it. All right, but let's actually go ahead and get into it, man. Look, withdrawals, a lot of people, it takes them on average about 1 to 3 business days to withdraw. Um, Sometimes it may take longer. Now, what you want to make sure you do, contact support and a couple other things. I am also going to copy and paste, right, a website. Let's actually see if it works, right, on how you can get your money back, right? This is the website that I actually found for people that may have used the platform. Just a PSA, if you are in the United States, Pocket Option is the best platform to use. Second to Nadex. So Nadex is number one. Always use Nadex first. And then if you can't open an account with 250, Pocket Options is your second best bet. Right. So look, this is the website. Let's see if it works. I found this. Right. Let's see if it works. Right. Refund and recovery fraud. Right. So this is what you want to look up. Right. www.fraudrecoveryagents.org, and it will give you a whole bunch of things. Right. It's going to help you to get your money back from these brokers, man. So that's pretty much it for that. All right. So let's actually get back into it. How to have success on this platform. What's the guide to it? So let's go to trading. Yes, it's going to be demo. I have my real account, but it's not letting me log in on my computer. So we're just going to use this for the sake of it. Plus, I wouldn't even trade at this time on my real account, so it doesn't even matter, right? So let's continue demo trading. One thing you want to do, if you got some free sauce, you always, when you have certain amounts, you want to trade with 2% or less, right? Monday through Thursday are the best days to trade. Mondays, I would say trade with 1%. Tuesday through Thursday, trade with 2%. And don't trade Fridays, pretty much. Yep, that's it. Monday through Thursday. So look, this is how you're gonna have success. Right now, everything is in OTC mode, which is not good. OTC, which means you're guaranteed to lose. But this is why I'm using the demo account, just to kind of show you guys what's going on, right? Another thing that you can do, if you're not a candlestick trader, you can change it to area or line chart, whatever it is that you're doing, doesn't necessarily matter. Whatever is best for you. Me, I like to use the candle chart, right? Enable the timer. I like to have these different things. Now, with you using that 2% rule, right? 2% of your account. If you have $100, you want to open every single trade with $5. No more than $5. You can go lower, right, to $2.50. If you have a $200 account, $10, right? So let's just put for this sake, because most people have about $200 to open up an account with, right? You want to make sure that you pay attention to the times that you're entering your trade. If you're doing your analysis on a 1 minute, right, you can put it on a 1 minute timer, right? You want to pay attention to the price that you enter at, right? This is how you can really have success when it comes to pocket options, right? Just kind of use an example, right? You want to make sure you have the best entry, because if you don't have the best entry, you will lose your trades easily, right? So now let's actually put some indicators on that I usually use, right, with my strategy, and let's see what's going on with this platform. All right, let's go ahead and delete this. I don't use this. The indicators I use are the moving averages. We can see what's going to go on here. I'm going to put all the settings on here so you guys can use it, right? If you guys want to get further help from me, right, and become a part of my family, right? I am part of an investment group that I started with my business partner, which is called Riches and Wealth. Right, we help individuals do this on a daily basis with a platform that we're with, which is I Am Academy. Right, there's a lot of good and bad connotations with it. It's never the company; it's always the person that you get started with. If that person doesn't know what they're doing, then you should probably ask for help for somebody that knows what they're doing. That's really the only thing, right? The company has done nothing to nobody. It's only the people that you get started with, right? OTC, we just saw we just lost a trade because they are manipulating the market. Or did we lose? No, we won. We won both those trades. So that was not a bad entry, right? Let me go ahead and continue to do this really quick, right? Really quickly, very quickly, just to give you guys a guide of how to have success when it comes to trading on this platform. This color is going to be awkward. We're going to make this 3. Cool. We can actually change this one. Let's make this one 3. And let's make this one 4. Cool, right? This is just kind of my preference when it comes to the line width, but this is just kind of how I use it to recognize it. I usually have 5 of them, but pocket options, it only limits you to 2, right? Only limits you to 2, right? These are EMAs. This is what I use, which is called the Delorean strategy, which is what I learned through the I Am Master Academy through my mentor Tyrone Foster, Patrick Kenny, and Abel Melendez. The main 2 that I watch, right, on an everyday basis is Patrick Kenny and Tyrone Foster. I watch Abel Melendez when it comes to certain basic things, when it comes to market structure and things like that. But when I want to do my additional learning, I tap in to my mentors' recorded and favorite sessions, right, which I can show you guys that. Is this going to let me zoom in or is it not going to let me zoom in? Let me see. Let me see. Let me tap my settings. Let's type the settings. Auto scroll and evil grease. I have no idea what that is. Also cool. Let's see. Okay, boom, perfect. Perfect. Doesn't let me zoom all the way in, but let's go ahead and wait and see what happens, right? So with my particular strategy, uh, it probably would have been like one of these back here, but let's find a better one that I can use. You always want to trade with 2% or less, right? 2% or less to make 5% a day, right? So that means if you're winning about 3 trades, right? 2%, you win 3 trades. That means you're up more than 5%, right? Because you're trading with 2%, but these brokers are paying you out a certain dollar amount, right? So with this particular currency pair is paying out 80%. So that means for every $10 I trade with, we make 8, right? And whatever time frames you enter on or anything like that, right? That's just what it is, right? Let me see if I can find something. This, even though it's not the best time to trade, let's see if I can find a good setup. See if I can find a good setup to help you guys out, right? This is not a bad setup. So we actually going to take this. You know, this is a counter trade. It's not bad, right? So the reason why I took this is because of my strategy. I cannot zoom in, right? It's 4 things that I look for, right? If all 4 things that I look for, I get a yes to, then I'll take the trader. But if I don't take it. So step 1, I need a bearish engulfing candle bigger than a bullish engulfing candle for a sell. 2, I need this red 13 EMA to cut through both of those engulfing candles. Step 3, I need my 50 EMA aqua line to either cut through or be closely above within 10 pips or less, right? The closer I am to it, the more money I can make because it's a magnet. And step 4, if I have space, which I do have some space to make profit, then I will take my trade so I can make some money. Right now, it's kind of playing. It's not the best time to trade because I'm trading at night. Plus, we're heading into the weekend. So let's see if we can get out this trade with some profit, man. If we can get out with some profit, right? Another good thing too, which is good for binary, is every time that it pulls back to a certain EMA line, that is another indication. But I'm not going to give too much information on that, right? I'm not going to give the free sauce on that, right? I talked about it in another video, but I will make a video on it. Or I'll even actually leave it up in the end screen or pop it up at the top so you guys can see what I'm talking about, right? I did a video on it. So let's see what happens in the next 30 seconds or so. All right, so this is the strategy I use. We'll actually go to another pair, see what's going on. All right, see if something else. Perfect. Another one, right? Another one. You know it's not the best time to trade. Let's see. Right. This is a different Delorean indication that I'm looking at, which is not bad. Right. Not the best time to trade, but let's see if we can get out of here with some profit. All right, we're on a 1 minute time frame. So it's really, really, really risky. But on my old trade, we're looking like we about to clear. Right, we're looking like we about to clear. We're about a couple more seconds. And we cleared, right? Just like that. Right. Risking 2%, right, to make 5% a day, right? So far, right, since I've been on this session, we lost some money, but we made some money back. For every $10 I put, right, we lost 10, 20, 30, 40. Well, we made 18, 36, 36 plus 36, 72. So we have about $36 in profit right now, man. Right. So 5% would be 50. So if we win this next trade, we'll meet our quota for the day. But it's looking like the market want to play with us, right? Plus, it's not the best time to trade, but that's literally how you trade, man. That is the guide to this. You just want to know your entries, know the confirmation that you're looking for, and you want to trade at the best time. Like I said, the best time to trade is in between the opening of the London to the ending of the New York. That's the best time to make your money, Monday through Thursday, right? If you want to learn more tips like this, follow more on my channel. But YouTube can only get you so far. You have to invest in yourself. If you're afraid of investing in yourself, you're limiting your access to information, to education, to better yourself and get yourself far, man. So I hopefully to help for today's video. That's everything, family. The best guide to pocket options for beginners, right? Make sure you have your confirmations. Show you guys something briefly with the DeLorean confirmation, right? Not the best time to trade, but we won a few trades, right? We lost that last one because the market is manipulating right now through the OTC platform. Never take these trades on OTC. They're going to do nothing but manipulate the market, right? And that's it, man. We out.